Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling CPU virtualization in BIOS so the host can run guest systems. Once done, install your chosen hypervisor, Hyper-V or VirtualBox, and download the OS ISO. Create a new VM and assign CPU cores and RAM based on host capacity. Make the disk at least the OS recommended size. Attach the ISO to the VM's virtual optical drive and set the boot order to boot from ISO. This gets you immediately into the installation phase without extra delay. You boot the VM and run the guest OS installer just like a physical machine. Follow language, partition, and user prompts. Once the OS is up, install the hypervisor's guest additions or integration services to enable better drivers, clipboard sharing, and folder sharing. Then adjust networking. Choose NAT for simple internet access or bridged for LAN visibility. Make shared folders and copy-paste settings. Also create a snapshot before major changes so you can roll back quickly if something breaks. You finish by installing system updates, security software, and any applications the VM needs. Make sure time sync and display resolution are correct. Create a final snapshot or export the VM so you have a restorable baseline. For maintenance, power down cleanly and use snapshots before upgrades. If something goes wrong, first check the VM's virtual network adapter type and host firewall. Then verify virtualization is still enabled in BIOS and that guest additions are installed. These steps usually resolve the most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.